Alright, go on the rest, come can see this beat fast. What's that there? What's that right there?
Pulse, no.
A pulse there. Send me the pulse beat so fast. Wow. Alright, then go on the rest of it, yeah? Alright, she's from St. and she retired. She's from the UK and now she's living here in St. and she's retired, you know. So this is $50,000 a year for you. From Miss Rosie from the UK living in St. Anne.
Thank you, Miss Rosie from St. Anne. Thank you for your knowledge. And
I'm gonna put no name on this one, but the person that tell me the money is coming from Maryland, you know, in the USA. You know yourself, you know, you send $14,000 a year for photography, and the donor is from Maryland in the USA. So count this, so it's 14,000. Family from Queens, New York, you know, $16,000 a year for you. From the Anderson family, so you can just count it and then you tell them thanks.
Thanks to the Anderson family for this donation.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love for all. So guys, welcome back to Key and Life in Jamaica. You know, I'm back here in Churchtown. You know, the thing goes through the charity work. You know, charity work have to get done. You know, so I want to thank each and everyone for watching Key and Life in Jamaica. You know, I always have to show gratitude for all my subscribers, for each and everyone that likes the video whenever they're watching, for sharing, to tell a friend about the Key and Life in Jamaica program. You know, we're here, you know, doing some charity work as usual. So, you know, everything in life takes time, you know. So with me, you know, I work with phase, time. Everything goes by the time. So you work off with what the Almighty set you on, you understand? Because one thing you must know in life, you have to know, blessed. You have to know your direction, you have to know your path, you understand? You cannot make no one dictate how to live your life, you know. Live with righteousness. Righteousness is the way and show love to each and everyone. You understand? Everyone have a right to choose them destiny, but choose the right one. You understand? At least I ain't doing no negative, no bang bang and shooting, no. I'm doing the most righteous thing ever. You know, so sometimes it's only positive that counts for me, right? So when you're really negative, you can keep that to yourself. You understand? Negative and positive is always there, but don't make it match with my current of positivity. So guys, so we're here in Churchtown. I want to give out some donation. You know, remember, if you're reaches for you're watching, smash that like button, put the thumbs up. And if you don't like it, I understand. I still like you. You understand? Because we all have to love each other. So don't worry about who don't like you or who don't love you. You understand? Just don't make no one change your heart. Right? Continue being you. You understand? Don't make no one dictate your mood of the day. You understand? So remember guys, keep it strictly positive in the comment section. That's all that counts. If you're negative, you know, big up to my moderators who's there kicking them out. Kick them out. Just kick them out. You know, once if they're negative, you just kick them out. No time for negative people. So if you're negative and you're watching, I think you're on the wrong channel. But you can be a viewer, you can be a looker. Go and looking even better. Yeah, man. So thank you so much. So we're gonna head up to Mother Teresa, you know, give her some donation as well too. So stay tuned for that, guys. We're gonna walk you through and everything, right? And we have man like Johnny Vibes. Come in, Johnny Vibes. We're gonna walk. We're on Johnny Vibes and we have Rasta Messi there here.
Yeah, those
you know,
Yeah, man, they both.
And we have Johnny Vibes.
Bless up, good day, everyone.
Yeah.
All posse, massive, and crew.
That is it. You know, guys, you know, it's one of those days, you know. You know, sometimes you see most of the members and sometimes you ain't seen them. Because everyone has to do what they have to do, you know, because remember, this is a volunteer charity, you know, and most of the time the guys have to go and do them work also, you know, so at the same time, the work has to continue, the journey has to continue. What is?
I'm going to
This one? Yeah, man, so you know, so you know the journey have to always continue, no matter what. Yeah, going on seeing me. It have to continue because if I wasn't doing it from the heart, I was doing it from the mind, I would have followed my mind long time and said, listen, leave this charity alone and go look for yourself. Yeah, you understand? So I'm doing it from my heart, you know, not from my mind. Because if I was doing it from my mind, trust me guys, I would have followed the ego mind long time and done the charity a long time. So it's a good thing to listen from your heart, understand? And don't let no one turn your heart away from doing good in life. You understand? Life is what you make it. It's not how them make it. You know, so yeah, I'm going. You sure them want to go on, so here with Mother Teresa, checking out our project to give her some donation as well. Sad to say she always have to climb in the ladder to get upstairs. Wow. Alright, liquor. Alright, we not forgot all the way upstairs. Because this ladder thing is a lot of work going up and a lot of work coming down. You drop off it again?
This tear though. When I come down and tear though.
Oh, cause that not firm. Yeah, cause I remember the last time I was going up and I almost fell as well too. So that ain't firm.
Because I put it up on the body and I raise it up.
So the step is gonna be down there, right?
So come right.
Okay, so why them have this temporary door, yeah? So because we have to go in? So what's gonna happen when they put the step?
This is the doorway. This is my doorway.
Oh, so the step I go walk that way?
Yeah. The staircase I come from down there, so come straight out here, so.
I don't get it.
Yeah. See right down there, sir? That one doorway down there, sir. So I walk to this, sir. So I put a door right here, so when they finish, I block out the bathroom. So me have the whole of here, so instead of watching my bedroom, so come out, so come down.
Yeah, so as I say, you go abandon this after the step fixed there, sir, or you still go use this to come out?
May I use this in my part, come on.
Okay. So it might build up like a column here, sir?
Yeah, really come down.
Okay. But you have to see it still, so.
When you finish it, I just give on the summer kind of.
Yeah. So when them say I come do some work, really?
One day not the weekend, so that one day I choose. I want to finish after this.
Okay. Alright then, so that then. Come here Johnny Vibes. All this for me there, brother. So we have Johnny Vibes in the building, so give me this one there. Just give one at a time. Alright, so we have a donation here for you from Ivan from New York. $10,000 here for you from Ivan from New York.
Thank you, Ivan from New York, and hope the basket never empty. Father God bless you that you can add more, not only me alone, others outside too.
Okay, so we give thanks from Ivan from New York for that 10,000. And we have Toffolo and Maxine from Canada as well to $5,000 here for you from Toffolo and Maxine from Canada.
Toffolo and Maxine from Canada, thank you very much, and hope Father God bless you and keep you, and hope your basket will never empty. God bless you.
Okay, so we'll give thanks to Toffolo and Maxine from Canada for the donation from Mother Teresa. I will also have Will as well from Canada, $9,000. You know, from Will from Canada, $9,000.
Thank you, Will. Hope your basket never empty, and hope you can add more. Not for me alone, other outside. Thank you very much. Okay,
so here I got a donation, and it's a I went to see this lady as well too. You know, her name is Miss Rosie. You know, Miss Rosie, and she really got really emotional. You know, because when she see you walking down this step, and you know, she say no one should be walking down a step like this, which is not safe. You know, and everything. And she see your struggle, what you've been going through. And you know, Miss Rosie, she really touched by everything. You know, and she really got emotional. And she was even crying. You know. And I like it. She have a really positive vibes, you know, because she give with some positive vibes as well too. So she donate, you know, to help out the cause as well too, you know, because she really understands. Because she said, you know, she was literally going through the same thing as well too that you're going through. You know, I have to thank her so much as well to Miss Rosie. She said, think it, feel it, receive it. So that is a part of being positive, guys. So being positive, you know, you can visualize anything you want, you can think it, and while you think it, you have to believe it, and while you believe it, you have to also to feel it, you know. So think it, feel it, you will receive it, you know. So whenever you're doing something, guys, it's what your mind, sometimes the life that you're living right now, what you're going through, is what you're thinking on a daily basis, you know, the thoughts that you're sitting down thinking on. You know, that's what keeps on going out in the universe. If you keep on thinking about negative and keep on thinking on feeling bad, and you're going to get more of those feelings, because while you're thinking it, you're feeling it at the same time. So you're putting out that in the universe, you know, so you will attract more things for you to feel down, you know, feeling moody and feeling all of that. So always remember to stay positive, think positive. You know, anything you want, you can visualize, you can work towards it, please. Life is not what you think it is, it's just how you live it. So if you live doing good, trust me, it's only good shall return. Negative will always be there, you know, it's always a test, you know, so you have to know to overcome the test. That's how it is. You know, I wasn't the person who I was like speaking to you today, but I learned along my journey. You understand? Because life is a journey, and I'm on my journey right now, so I give thanks for the Almighty for enlightening me and showing me my path. So, you know, so that's why I'm doing what I am doing. I don't listen to people when they be negative. I try to ignore it as much, you know. We're not perfect, you know, because we work with emotions. Sometimes your emotions will play with your mind sometimes, and you will feel away. But when you feel away, just try to motivate yourself, you know, sync up yourself to feel good in whatever you're doing. So give thanks to Rosie, you know, as well too. She's from St. Anne, she retired. She's from the UK, and now she's living here in St. Anne, and she's retired, you know. So this is $50,000 a year for you from Miss Rosie from the UK, living in St. Anne.
Thank you, Miss Rosie from St. Anne. Thank you for your knowledge and understanding. Because I come from very far, I'm glad many people can see it. You have to have a good heart if someone give you something like this. I'm coming from a long journey with Kina. Give God thanks for Kina, because without Kina, not away, uno get the end. So I thank you very much for seeing my needs, and thank you great for all of my extended family, Max and Mommy and Michelle, Oliver and Carla and others. And I thank you so much and appreciate it. Welcome. Thank you so much. And I thank you that's gonna see outside back door to can help and help me also. Thank you very much with love.
Man, so we give thanks for all the donations that we just give her, you know. We thank her so much, you know. We cannot stop thanking her. So this donation, she's gonna put it towards the need of finishing off her project right now, you know. Any material, anything that she need, you know, this will literally go towards it. So as what you said, you know, the workman is kind of busy doing some work, right? So the workman is busy doing some work. So whenever the workman free up, you know, and get the chance, you come put in some work, and then you literally see finishing touch of this, because we all gonna witness the day when time this is finished, you know. So we give thanks, Miss Rosie. Thank you so much, because your words right now, what you said to us, you know, me and Dee when we went and see you, like, even now it keep on resonating inside of me each and every day. So that's what carried me through, and I thank you so much for being positive, you know, and the positive vibe that you give to me. So alright then, Mother Teresa, so we're on the journey. So we're gonna move on to the next. I wanna go see Felicia. Felicia now is the girl with the kidney problem. Hopefully yeah, hopefully she's there. So we're gonna walk. So guys, as I can see, this is the liberty of Trenchtown. This is the houses them, this is what they like. So that's why you see the need is here in Trenchtown. You can see people try to develop and try to help themselves, you know, as you can see what Mother Teresa is trying to do, is trying to help themselves, you know, because there is so much people here in need. You know, there's so much people here in need, but there's so much they can do with the support that they get. You know, so when you send a donation, we thank you so much because it means the world. Sitting here in Trenchtown, you don't know where a dollar is coming from. So when you get an unexpected dollar, trust me, it means the world to each and everyone, you know. So we give thanks and we appreciate. Yes guys, so as you can see the condition of Trenchtown, it's not pretty, you know. It's not pretty, all the zinc fences them and everything that you can see, you know, all these people try to fence round, you know. The more they use the zinc fences, like instead of using the block, you know, because they can't afford to use the block or to get the block and the cement and all this, so people just use the other way of using the cement and everything. Walk on, you know, so you can see the people with them and with their business, you know, trying to make, you know, a living. You know, people do try to make something out of what they have, you know, but it's not easy, you know. I was living here in this community and trust me. in a outside dash, well, go on. What me a pass by? Yes guys, so as we can see, you know, Trenchtown, it is what it is. So the young baller them, I watching up on TV, I play football, you know. Yeah, that you say. So guys, so this is what it is. So hopefully Felicia is here, you know, and the lady with the kidney problem. You know, we got a donation for her as well too. So she there? Alright, good. Good. Oh,
She not coming.
Oh, she not coming. Oh, she not coming yet? Okay. Oh. Alright then, so we're gonna see Third P then. Yes guys, so she's not here as yet. My friend. What happened? You good? You try to tickle me? Alright then, when your mommy come, you come and call me, okay? What time she normally reach back? She soon come.
Like I done circle.
Eh? Okay.
Around the 5.
Alright then. So by them time then we're going to tell you then. Alright, let's see you later, okay? Alright guys, so Felicia is not here yet, so we're gonna wait till when time she comes back, so we're gonna see it. Raga. See, I prove the strength. Can you see the roots working? Hold on there. Can you show them so the roots is working? Raga, show us so the roots working. Blessed Rasta man. Hello, the pretty eye this. See there man, this is the roots man. So when you drink roots, this is all the strength you get. So Raga, this is what you're gonna use to make roots? No? Oh yeah, be kettle drum.
The bass drum, I got bass drum.
Or use these the tree. Okay, from the tree. I always tree this.
No, what tree? Then put them up a bar and dry it. Yeah, turn it in
can't hear you, have to speak up.
turn it in something higher, you know.
Oh, kettle drum.
Yeah.
So when you cut out all of this, we're gonna put on top of it the mesh canvas where you can beat. It's a big drum this. See a musician there as well too. Johnny vibes.
Looking at the building, this guy looking at part of a one like a taking
Yeah.
one upon the counter.
So he's gonna make a jump from this.
You make a bingy jump.
Yes. The bingy jump. So you have to get out everything, Raga. You have to get out everything. Wow. Can't see the roots are working, man. Roots is working, Raga. Raga is gonna get, and this is a big tree. Oh, so this is what you make?
Yeah, when we dig out them small one,
Okay. So this is the man handcraft himself. Dynamite, come get them two. Jeez. Come get them two, Dynamite.
Two hours. You put the one, two, you know?
Yeah. Hey. Design it, yeah. Yeah, design. So, Raka, when you make all these now, you sell them, right? So much you sell all one of these though? If somebody want to buy it.
I go for $4 US.
Huh?
I want to go for $4 US.
$400 US. Okay, trace the $4 US come like a $4 in a Raga. Yes. Alright, so Johnny know what is going on.
The heartbeat.
Mm-hmm. Hey. Johnny know him thing, man. Johnny vibe. What Raga, man, this is a whole heap of work, though. I'm not even lying. Boom. Imagine that. Yeah, for fit, you know. Yeah. Yeah, tell them, man. Raga, swing and show them what you're dealing with it there. So they can see the hard work they're putting in. So guys, if you're interested and you're watching, you know you want a Naya Bingy drum, I can swing. If you're watching and you want a Naya Bingy drum, trust me, this is the hard work where the man have to put in. So when they tell you 4, that is it. Not an easy road. Not an easy road, boy. So, Raga, how long it will take you to finish this?
I calculate that.
You calculate it.
Just put in the work feet done, you know. About 11 o'clock start.
Yeah. Alright, so if somebody interested in one of those kettle drums, let's give them a contact number. So, yeah, I'm a truck pass. So, give them a contact number.
I can't give that number. Give me number.
I'm saying the number in the video there. So, just in case if somebody interested want to get a kettle drum. Alright, bless you.
Yeah, man, if you want to contact Raga, just get to 876-2230-755.
So give them it again, 1876
223-0755.
Alright, that is it.
Now,
That is it. Alright then, Raga, give thanks and big up and continue, you know.
Yes, sir.
It's not an easy road. It's not at all. And for them say the glamour and the glitter. When you look in and say it's not a bed of rose. Natural, you know.
Then I must use cow skin though, goat skin.
Alright then,
Then I must use goat skin, because I goat skin like I take a bead skin. Can't bust that.
alright, come in. Yes, see. Yes, guys, so the number will there if you want to contact him. Yeah, you can call him to contact him, you know, if you're interested in a Naya being a drum. So guys, I'm going to see Tall P them and wait till when time Felicia get back from her dialysis, you know, because she's going to do her dialysis because you know she's struggling with kidney problem, you know, so she's going to do her dialysis. Her daughter drinking a bag juice, you know, so we're heading to Tall P, you know, guys, so stay tuned. Video and say you want to be on the video, tell them what you want to say.
Yeah, I want the elder in the community at Trenchtown. I want to big up my brethren Kino.
Yes.
I mean I big him up too.
Sure.
Saying?
Give thanks.
I want all the world just come to Trenchtown. Anytime on a wish or when
anytime
at all.
More than welcome.
Just come in at Trenchtown, yeah? On a well protected and nice. The world may I tell that, yeah?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. So the man is telling the world.
Right.
More than welcome, you know?
Pick up yourself, Keith.
Thank you for always watching us way too and giving
yeah,
me
man, everybody on your program.
No.
I love you.
Yeah, man, respect. Nothing but love,
my
man.
baby there.
Hey,
that's my baby.
Alright then. Big up, yeah? Alright then. That is that.
Yeah, go down.
Yeah, man,
Work, go on.
Yeah.
All is well.
Yeah.
Big foundation.
I've got 4-inch up that can sell me.
The what?
4-inch bed.
No.
Blessed. I come fast.
No, Phil.
That can go on. Yes, sir.
Alright.
It's a good look.
Alright.
Uplift the community, you know?
Alright.
That is it. Make sure you have my type of food, okay?
No, man, I have all types.
All types.
Local, vegetarian, everything.
That is it. Alright then. I'll be looking forward for it. Yes.
Big up Rasta.
Talpe. So we are Talpe, the coolest yard in Trenchtown. One Aki. Talpe, I see one Aki in the tree. Let me read the tree. When I wasn't here. Oh yeah. As you step out, them step in at the tree. But them leave you with a one Aki, I look on you still. Two. Listen. Oh yeah, the well water and cool. Plants them were thirsty. That is it, Talpe. Johnny vibes are going to roll through, you know? Original movie star from the movie Pirates of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp. Yes, Talpe. It's the coolest yard in Trenchtown.
What I said? Is it?
It's one of.
Can be yes.
One of.
Can be yes.
So you do any work since the last time I was here?
We never done work since the last time. But me put in some order for some material, you know?
Okay.
Some order for some material.
So that is the case then. Put in some order and get some material. So the tree them grow up now?
Yeah,
Joe plum tree push out. Talpe water the whole garden, front garden and back garden. June plum banana. Well, Talpe have a lot of banana for boy when they are ready.
Yeah, man, hold it for banana, brother.
A lot of banana and dumpling.
Yeah.
And yam.
Yeah.
Oh, you have yam around here. What is right here? Mango?
No, man, around pure.
Okay. Yes, Tarpy, so here I got a donation here for you. As well to help out the situation, you know, because I don't say people like when time someone's trying and you're one of them that trying, you know, one of the members that have always been there giving you 1 cent and 2 cents no matter how much, you know, you give it same way. So we have 2 donations here for you to help out the situation as well too. So I know, yeah man, once you get the money, Tarpy, you said do when him say material.
Definitely genius.
And he said how much mackerel? 6 mackerel and pure material.
I keep bad in the genius, you know that man.
But them leave you with no hockey in your tree, then as you step out every day.
Well, them know still from there, still them know. They know say yeah, my time, you know?
Yeah. So you have to put some more water at the root, Tarpy, so you can get some by your morning.
No, sir, we not too. I think I have to move still.
Oh, you have to move it?
Cut it down.
Because the work?
Yeah, the work, you know? I got to bust up, burn up the pipe, then she start burn up the pipe.
Oh, the water pipe right there.
Yeah, the water pipe.
Oh.
I lift up all the step here, see?
Yeah.
Step there, good step too, you know? Plus, you could just, you know?
Yeah, you can make the step go and stay, man.
Yeah, I'm step by step, man.
Good step, you don't have to build no step. You have to step already, just dress it and put a little gate in front of it. And a mini gate. And you're good to go, right?
Definitely.
That is it. Yeah, man, so I have 2 donations here for you to help out with your foundation that you're going on with, you know, to help out as case. So I have $10,000 here for you. As well to from Ivan from New York. So you have 10,000 here for you from Ivan.
Ivan from New York, all of a blessing, you know. All of a love, you know. God bless her, keep on doing the good work. Like a Tarpy, keep on doing the good work. One team, Gene team.
Yeah, man.
So all of a bless you, Ivan.
Yes,
bless
yes.
you.
Yeah, man, so we'll give thanks to Ivan. As well to also have 14,000 here for you. Oh, this never had no name, you know. How would I make that mistake? And this is coming from Maryland, from the USA, yes. We have 14,000 a year, so my apology. I'm gonna put no name on this one. But the person that tell me the money is coming from Maryland, you know, in the USA, you know yourself. You know, you send 14,000 a year for Tarpy, and the donor is from Maryland in the USA. So count this, so it's 14,000.
Yeah.
14, so it's coming from person living in Maryland in the USA.
That beautiful person living in Maryland, God bless you and keep you, and thank you very much for this. This gonna go far a lot. Yeah, and thank you all, you know. We are going to try our best to help out Tarpy. One team, Gene team, bless you, genius.
Alright.
Yeah,
man, so we give thanks. So as you can see, this is what Tarpy is dealing with. You know, I'm having bathroom, I'm having toilet, and you know, I'm having addition where I try to get rid of these boards and put up a concrete structure. You know, so all you need to get is some cement and block and, you know, sand and gravel. And you name it. So in any way or any support you can get, you know, we thank you so much for helping out that case. Right, Tarpy?
Definitely. Thank you very much again, one more time again. One team, Gene team.
So that is it, man.
Bless.
Alright then, so give thanks, Tarpy.
Yeah.
Go on all the food saving. So you walk around and so really you're walking and you still water in the garden.
I go and water again, reach and wait till you.
Alright.
Is it? Yeah. Finish water.
Yeah.
Happy brush your back the west mud, yeah?
Yeah?
Wash your pocket with the mud.
Yes guys, so you know, it's always blessings that we give thanks, you know, for always helping out. You know, a case here in Trenchtown, as you can see, the case is a lot. Not even judge now have so many cases to deal with in court. You think the judge have so many cases to deal with in court? With how many cases you have to deal with here in Trenchtown? It's so much. You know, it's nice to give a helping hand while you can, while we're here on this universe, you know, to help out that situation. because the situation is needed, you see. Instead of palette, him should have black. Caesar, for the future, some black for your run up. Don't it? Yeah. Yes, for the future. Yeah, man, let's go and buy some 50-50 black and go and put them down.
Yeah, man, big up myself, you know, because you're good, you know, told me I hear all the Irish, you know, you're good, you know.
Yes, sir.
Irish Berliner. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good youth, man, because a whole heap of little thing I observe how the eye go on still as a young youth still, you know. And me I say, John, the young youth, they still know every young youth do certain good to people and them community still, you know.
Yes,
so enough respect, you know, my youth, a whole heap, you know.
Young.
Me know say you're young, man. Me know that still, me see it, you know. But John, respect how the eye flow, man. John, real, man.
Righteousness, man.
Yeah, man, righteousness, me yo.
That's how we preach it, and that's
big
how
up yourself, man. Every time, man. You see? Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. So in the future, as I say, man, instead of using these, put up some blacks, you know, in the future. Because we want to eliminate all of these, you know, because you know, black no structure. Give the community a better look.
But this happen temporary.
You know, to when you know, say it can happen.
You see my building and so, and you know, long me a yarn to fix me thing. But me can't, me a tailor still, you know, I poster with me do to, you know, so.
Okay.
Me always I say, John, oh, me have so much talent and still struggle still. But sometimes I saw the struggling, but still, you know, no matter how much talent you have, when I struggling time. You see me I say, yeah, man, say, my little place there, I want to take off all them zinc and then pour that off at the front.
Right, yes, sir. Yeah.
Right, that's some of them, man.
I run up some blacks.
You know, I saw it can still.
Keep trying, never too late enough for your shower for you know. It maybe never happen then, so you never know when it can happen now.
More time, me I say, we don't make a shout now, but me I say, I just some more critical people you deal with, you know. So, you know, but I shout, still me just go on humble and just observe you do the right thing.
Yes.
So, if in the future, something can go on, still.
Of course,
that's what me I say.
Of course, we're here to try to give somebody.
So, give thanks, so give thanks how you put out for whosoever needy, man. Yeah, man, them have one thing in my days named nugget for the needy. Well, it's come like a you this now. You see? Alright, so respect.
Alright, big up, man, and continue, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, bless you guys. So that is it, you know, for the future, you know, it's a bit nice. So instead of, you know, the board, zinc, you know, people can put up the blacks. But I can say the struggle with them facing on a daily basis here in Churchtown, you know, them have just really appreciate and give thanks to what them have still. You know, so hopefully things can turn for them, you know, you never know how. Because all it takes is 1 minute, 1 day, you know, and you see the table turn, you know. So hopefully people can turn, things can change, you know, most of the, you know, if someone can come in and say, Kino, here's 200,000 black, help out some people, you know, that would be great, you know. Someone can come and contribute some black to some people where they can help out and then make a thing there, you know. We'll go back through and so. Alright, rich youth. Rich youth. Yes, so you never know, you know. So we give thanks, as I can see. This is the house that we built, you know, so we make sure we give her a wall as well. So this is how it's supposed to always be. So you have zinc fence here, you have more board and zinc fence. So eliminate all of these, you know, and put up some concrete structure. Give the community, you know, a much better look. But hopefully in time, things can happen, things can change. You know, vision for the future. Brave! Rasta Jack, sir. Yeah, come and check out prefect work. Yes, the prefect is on it.
Yes, I am.
See there, guys. See there, see? When is the time, is the time. It's the right time. The last time I came, it wasn't the time. I know we're coming at the time where you have to put on the clothes.
Yes, man.
You know?
Put on the clothes on it, you know?
So guys, so this is prefect talent where you see him have, you know. So this is a settee. Some people call it coach.
Yeah.
You know? Some people call it coach, some people call it settee. So right now he's making a settee for a client, right?
Like 3-in-1, you know.
3-in-1.
Yeah, you have the big one, this is the big one. And you have the medium one, which is a 2 cushion, like the one where
Over Dana. Yeah, yeah.
And then you have a lookout chair.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So these are the big one.
Yes. Nice material, guys. So yes, are you choose a material? Or them?
Them. We carry it, take the picture it, carry go show, and then love it. So
yeah. Like this. So guys, so you see, this is the prefect in the team. So this is the talent the prefect have. So he is making a settee. You know, and boy, I'm not lie, I wish my guys can call and give him a support and put it in the order. Put it in the order. You know? Put it in the orders. Okay, you see how it works? When you donate, you know, towards a cause, towards a talent, towards a dream team, this is what it does. You know, because we have to thank the donor who donate this compressor. You know? I don't remember his name fully, but he know himself while watching the donor donate this compressor here.
The gun,
yeah, and the gun to the prefect.
Using it, you know. Enough love and whole heap of appreciation, man. Yeah, man. Thank you very much, man.
So you can see the work that's getting done.
Yeah.
You know.
I just have it and I maggo with it. Have it and I use it. You see it?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So he's putting it into use. And we also have Amber Awards who donate the table saw to the dream team, you know, for the work that we're doing. So see there, Amber Awards. If it now work on a project, prefect, they are used to make use same way. As they say, everything come in handy. You know, everything. So if you big up yourself, Amber Awards as well to donating this, you know, for the dream team. So we now have to really go buy strip and them little things or anything we want to cut, you know. This is what Amber Awards donate to the dream team. So whenever you see a cupboard and all of these things, you have to give thanks, you know, to our donors them. I say, yo, we thank you so much. You know, it means, hey, I'm telling you, it is what it is, man. I run out of breath. So see there. So prefect can put on the clothes. You know, once the clothes gone on, you're gonna see the beauty of it. You know.
Yeah, get the clothes up. Show the clothes well up, you know?
Yes. Here in the compressor, man. Shoot!
Yeah, man.
Man, I just bust a shot. Hey! Yo! This is powerful. Guys, this is powerful.
This is the one now when I try again. Now, normally, I rent somebody one, you know.
Oh.
This is the one that build the frame.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the one when I try again.
That's a bigger gun.
Bigger gun this. This is the one that will build up the frame and then the small one cover it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, so this is the only gun where Dream Team fire.
Yes.
With the
definitely.
tools. See there? The only gun. Oh, this is the only gun Dream Team fire. So if you're not sending these guns to Dream Team, don't send anything at all. We need tools. All of those things, the material and them things, so we can do the work. So this is what you should be sending in Jamaica. Any weapon you're selling, this is the weapon you should be sending. Work, work, work. Yeah. Alright, listen. You're prefect, man, I'm gonna shoot myself. Yes. Hi, Rosie. Yeah, man, so this is it, guys. As you can see, prefect is putting in the work. So this is the next side. So, guys, feel free if you want to support the prefect. If you want to put in an order, if you have something in mind I want him to make for you, he can make them from the scratch and everything. So yes, from nothing to something, so now you must shut them on. So
the material I did cut
short.
kind of short. No, it never cut for this.
Oh.
It cut short. So what me can do, me know if you utilize it.
Okay.
Get it the way I want
How you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to put like a stretch in them.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead of waste up the material.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that material, so it's nice.
Yeah, man. I have some, I throw my phone go crash, you know.
Wow.
Nice, some nice the one where you can use, you know.
Yes. This is really nice.
This.
Yes.
When it's done,
Push on.
you have a sleep. When everything push on,
Yeah.
everybody going, oh my.
Nice.
I want to do something like, when we done it, people can look on it and say, whoa!
Alright, then please, we're going to catch up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Can I drop off a donation one of the household mother?
Yeah, man.
Right?
Yesterday,
She gone on the road with D. She come? Alright, so I'm going to see Felicia and come back.
Come love that color there.
Yeah, color bad.
Nice.
Alright guys, so Felicia is back. So they're going to go up there now to give her a donation. Fridge. Okay, alright. She come? Alright, then I'm going right up there now. I'll link Felicia and come back. Jackson, all is well? You're looking tired, man. What's going on? The roots. I tell now work at the roots now work. Them girl work out the waistline. What's going on? The waistline work out.
I will work out to slap your
Oh. Alright, me go. Alright, let me see if you have the energy for what I go up at 3rd Street top there now. Yes. Alright then. Come in a boom. Alright guys, so Felicia is here, so we're gonna go and see her and I want to give her a donation. Hold on, my phone. Hello? You? Oh, I go on. I'm there up on 3rd Street.
I don't know who put on why done? I don't know who put on the boat train. Behind the boat train. My boat train I work there. My dad You don't look at the ball. Wow! Ball out.
My bucket too. Oh, go on. Me I watch. See there, respect man, respect. Yeah. Ladies and me, she there I watch right now. Imagine that. Alright, all is well.
That is it. That's a port.
Wow. Yes.
Where are Papa?
The mommy come, I'm not tell her to come call me. How you doing? Easy. onion prawny.
Wow, man, wash
You watch it. Come.
Wash it.
Hey fella, how you doing? You must be tired now. Don't. So when you come off the dialysis machine, it makes it drain you? Make you weak. Wow, so now keep it too long then. So when you're on the machine, how long you on it for?
3.5 hours.
What?
Sometimes 3.
Oh, 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
Wow, that is long. That is long. So you just sit down and you lie down.
It's a relaxing chair. You can adjust like a bed.
Okay. Wow, that's long still. But I'm glad the day you get through it, you know? I'm glad you get through it. So how often you have to do this?
2 times per week.
Oh, 2 times per week.
Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Wednesdays and Saturdays. So them give you like blood?
No.
Them clean the blood?
Clean the blood.
Clean the blood. So you have to do this all your life, or is there a time and come when it's going to stop?
Depends on what God said.
Okay.
But for the doctor, them have all my life.
Oh, okay. So that's what they do all their life. So things and time, things can change though. Just believe, believe and it's gonna happen. Hey man, so I have a donation here for you as well too. From the Anderson family. They're the one that donated the last time to you. Yeah, so they're the Anderson family from Queens, New York. $16,000 a year for you from the Anderson family. So you can just count it and then you tell them thanks.
Thanks to the Anderson family for this donation. Their food basket never run dry. Thanks to everything. Thanks to everybody.
Yes, guys, so we give thanks to the Anderson family. We thank them so much for donating to helping out Felicia's situation, because you can see she's going through kidney problem, she just came back from the doctors doing her dialysis, and we're not going to keep her too long because she's feeling a bit weak now, because whenever she's on the machine and comes off, it takes all the energy. Wow. So normally how long it takes to feel back jovial?
Like tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Sleep now. Sleep off tomorrow and get back.
Okay, so you're going to sleep now, right?
Yeah.
Alright then. So I'm not going to wait too long then, and I can go get some rest. Yeah?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, you make Indians a beat fast? Oh, okay.
As I have my pressure eye right now too.
Pressure eye? Alright, go on the rest. I can see this beat fast. Oh, what's that there? What's that right there?
Pulse.
A pulse there? So the pulse beat so fast? Wow. Alright, then go on the rest of it, yeah? Alright,
thanks again.
Yeah man, no problem.
Don't go too far for your mommy here?
Yes, stay in the yard. Stay in the yard. Yeah man, so we give thanks guys, we give thanks for the donation. The Anderson family, we thank you so much, for donating to Felicia to help out her situation, we thank you so much. Yes, so give thanks from Queens, New York, from the Anderson family from Queens, New York. Alright, so we're going to head back down the road.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.